In this video, I'm going to show you why Vanry chain, which goes by the ticker symbol Vanry, has the potential to be one of the leading performing tokens over the current market cycle. It's really important, guys, that you listen to the full video before you ape into this coin. We're going to have a look at the news, why it's performing so strongly, but also some potential entry points and price targets as well. Now, when I say about being a leading performer, I mean this has the potential to create a big amount of wealth from a modest sized investment. And we see this in every crypto market cycle. For example, in 2021, we saw Solana go from $1.50. It made a 12,000% move within the space of 10 months. So that means someone that invested at the start of 2021 $10,000 in Solana, by the end of the year had $130,000. Now, I'm not telling you to invest $10,000 into this coin. I'm just highlighting the potential that these moves have, and we're going to take a look now at why Vanry is well placed to be a contender for one of the strongest performers. They have announced today a partnership with Nvidia. On Twitter, they have announced a collaboration welcoming Nvidia to the Vanry chain ecosystem. For those who don't know, Nvidia are the leading AI company in the world, but not just the leading AI company, they are the fourth largest asset in the world now by market cap. They've had an incredible previous 12 months trading. Their stock has been really outperforming most assets on the market, and we can see now that only Gold, Microsoft and Apple are bigger companies. They are bigger now than Amazon, Google, Meta, Tesla, many huge companies. So the fact that they are related to AI as well tells us that AI is going to be really dominant throughout our lives over the coming years. Now, if you think back to sort of the 1990s, for those that remember, or the early 2000s, we had the dot-com bubble, and I think that in the coming years it is going to be dominated by AI. That's kind of going to be the next tech boom that we see. So Vanry collaborating with Nvidia is obviously very bullish, but if we take a look at Vanry's website, Vanry chain, they are not just an AI related token, they are also gaming as well. And I think it's fair to say most people agree that gaming alongside AI are going to be the top performing narratives over this coming cycle. So yeah, Vanry well placed to take advantage of this narrative, particularly with this partnership today. When we take a look now at the weekly chart and how it's been performing, we can see already that over the past month, it's already made like over a 600% move. Especially on today's news of the partnership, we've seen the price pump. So, there's always going to be corrections in any trending market. So very likely we do get a better buying opportunity. So in a moment, we'll take a look at those. It is trying to move up towards a big level of resistance around the 49 cents, 50 cents level, which is a huge level to flip. If that is flipped, then we're moving up towards the current all-time high at $1.27. But in my opinion, I think this could be flipped, far surpassed in this upcoming market. So before we look, guys, at entries and price targets, I'd really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really does help us out, so I would appreciate that. I think in terms of entries, if we look at the 4-hour chart, it gives us a little bit of a clearer picture. And the first level that would sort of really interest me on a pullback is this 27 cents level here. Was a strong level of resistance, got a strong move above, so any retest of that area is good for me to take a potential medium or even short-term trade on this. But looking at a deeper pullback, if and when it comes, then I really like the 21 down to 19 cents area, something around here. We can see this is a really big 4-hour level, multiple rejections before the eventual breakout. In fact, not just a 4-hour level, but probably even on a higher time frame as well. Yeah, we can see there that really clean, fresh, daily, untested demand at 21 cents there. For me, any move into this area is a big buy for the medium to long term. And where can this go in the future? Well, as I already said, I think this could far surpass the current all-time high at $1.27. The thing is, then we are in price discovery mode after that, and there's no real clear levels to work from. But something that's quite an interesting thing to look at is this website here, and you can use this for a number of coins, or any coin really, and you can compare coins against each other. So this website is marketcapof.com, and if we compare Vanry to FET, which is another AI related coin, and this is probably one of the leading ones at the moment. It's been really performing well. If Vanry was at the current market cap of FET as it is today, this would leave the price of Vanry at around $2. So for me, that is a very nice target to look for. I think it could go even higher than that. So I think $2 is pretty conservative for over the coming months. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Do you hold Vanry chain already? Are you interested in it? And what do you think it can reach over the coming months in this bull cycle? Thanks for watching, guys.